Alright, boys. So, today I wanted to install Bonzi Buddy today. So, on a Windows XP virtual machine because we gotta keep the computer safe. So, yeah, we're gonna install. So, I already got the Bonzi Buddy ISOs like popped in. So now we're just gonna connect. And there it is. We're gonna do that. Yes. Install. Uh, Finish. Uh, yes, I guess so. We're gonna do this. So we got three versions of Bonzi Buddy on our desktop. We're gonna move these two to the side. We're gonna do Bonzi Buddy 4, I guess. Oh, there's Purple Gorilla. There he is. There's the boy.
Well, hello there. I don't believe we've been properly introduced. I'm Bonzi. What is your name?
I don't know.
Nice to meet you, Tough.
Tough.
Since this is the first time we have met, I'd like to tell you a little about myself. I'm your friend and Bonzi Buddy. I have the ability to learn from you. The more we browse, search, and travel the internet together, the smarter I'll become.
Cuckoo.
Not that I'm not already smart.
Bruh.
Because the internet can feel like a jungle at times, I can help you find what you are looking for and even make suggestions as to where we should go to find it. The more time we spend together, the closer we'll become. I may be the smallest friend you have, Tough, but I will always try and make up for that with my big heart.
That iconic voice. We got this.
When you have tasks or appointments, let me know and I will jot them down and remind you.
Okay.
I'm never late for an appointment.
Alright, cool.
Am I rambling? Alrighty then, Tough. Let's take a moment and fill out our automated registration card. This will make you an official registered user of Bonzi Buddy.
Okay, those are the
When
elite
you finish,
people.
simply click the continue button below. I will automatically re-register you.
Okay, so we're gonna TOWF or TOWF, middle, B, and then TOWF. Address 123 Street, city, I don't know, TOWF, land, I guess, state, province, Ohio, zip postal 12345, country, United States, email, tauf@tauf.com, or just TOWF, you prefer, gender male, age, we can keep that, continue, we're Bonzi Buddy, you can have all of my information. You can have all of my interests. Register me.
Okay, this will only take a second. Great. I've successfully updated our registration information.
Cool. Thank you very much, Bonzi. Okay. Cool. So we can do this. Hide or goodbyes. So we're gonna speak.
What would you like me to say?
Okay.
Type something into my speak screen and I'll be happy to say it for you.
Okay.
And remember, Tough, let's keep it clean.
Keep it clean. Okay. Just kidding. Demonetization exists, so we're gonna make it say like I'm gonna put quotations around amazing because I don't know. Maybe my videos are shit to some people. So for more amazing content like this, yeah, put a shit ton of exclamation marks after that. So now we're gonna say it. Ding.
Like and sub for more amazing content like this.
Okay.
Wait, I have to say something.
Oh yeah. What is it?
I have some brothers who would like to meet you and spy on you.
Okay.
Unfortunately, the other one can't come, but here is Petey the parrot.
All right. Cool. Thank you very much. You can. What? Yeah, this was scripted, but
Until next time, Calf.
Tau. Okay, bye. Now we have Petey the parrot here.
Thanks, my foot was falling asleep.
This is basically kind of like the early
Some
version.
of the information that I need to
like
check your email for you.
No.
That was a wild ride.
What do you mean?
From
I
my
only moved you
email
like
reader options
an
screen, we can
inch.
set up your email account and server information. This information will allow me to check your email and read it for you. Please enter the name or the IP address of your internet.
P, do you want? Yes, get all my information, please, P. But anyways, we're
Calf, I've got a good one for you.
okay.
What kind of ship never sinks?
What?
Friendship.
Ha ha ha. Anyways,
Ah! I'll need a minute to recover from that one.
yeah, me too. Anyways, so we can still make him speak. No. Okay, so here we go. P says, uh, that basically means need, but in like an urgent way.
You guys need to somewhere else. I will come to your house.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Or else he'll come to your house. No joke.
Now why did you move me?
Alright, anyways, bye bye. So, that test runtime. Yeah, okay. You can just never escape the bonzi buddy, I guess.
Hope you're feeling fine on this nice morning, Calf. Now, what
Oh
was
no,
wrong
they
with
both
being
came
over
back.
there? When you
Oh no, they
finish,
both came back.
simply click the continue button below.
Oh no, they
I will
both came back.
automatically
How that
realize
happened?
on me to pull up our menu and then click on check for new
Okay,
add-ons.
so he said, "Oh, you can install add-ons for me." Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's just more ads. So anyways,
Thanks, my foot was falling asleep.
so anyways, we're gonna. Oh no, how did they come here? Yeah, this is just a goofy video. copy, paste, paste here, paste here.
Some of the information that I... Hello, Calcium. Gonna spy on you.
Oh no, both came back. Go, go, go.
I hope to come back soon, Calf. I hope to come back soon, Calf.
They both said the same thing. Okay, that's funny. Anyways, I'm gonna remove this because there's no point to this. But these are special, so I'm gonna keep them. Anyways, bye.